Wholesalers, when you pitch deals and your buyer says to you, hey, we'll buy this on creative terms. Let's say they say, I'll buy it sub two or owner finance or lease option. Those are the most common. Don't say, well, we don't do sub two or we don't do owner finance. We already know that. Nobody is asking you to do those things. What we're telling you as a buyer is we will buy that property on terms. You, as a wholesaler, still get paid. You're still wholesaling the deal. It truthfully shouldn't affect you much at all unless you have a very large fee, then that might be a problem, but maybe not. Who knows? The point is, you can still close the deal. You can still get paid, and your buyer ends up happy. Because what we're really asking you is, hey, we're interested in this deal. It just has to be structured different from all cash. Okay. Because what you're bringing to the table does not make sense as all cash. And so I will tell buyers or wholesalers, I'll say, look, I'll buy it like this. If you don't find a cash buyer, then call me back and let's see if we could structure it. Because what we're asking you is, let's restructure this deal in a way where the seller can win, you get paid, and the buyer wins. That's what we're saying to you. But we're not saying to you, do you do sub two? Do you do owner finance or whatever? That's not what we're saying. So don't tell people we don't do it because nobody's asking you to do it. What we're asking you is, let's see if we can structure this differently so that all parties win. Seller, you as the wholesaler, us as the buyer, and it's a win for everybody. You will get more deals done. You'll explore more possibilities. You'll learn more about this business. And at the end of the day, more people will win. So open your mind to some more possibilities if you have not explored these routes, because there's opportunities to close deals beyond straight up cash when you're a wholesaler. So hope you find this helpful. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. See you around.